guys, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Add Maths plus Maths. We are now going to deal with another exciting lesson in differentiation that talks about another rule, which is quotient rule. Okay, so let's start. What is quotient rule? Quotient rule means if you are dividing two functions and you are differentiating it, okay, it is equivalent to the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus u. What is the u? It's the numerator multiplied by the derivative of the denominator divided by the square of the denominator. I have devised here something that you can think when you are remembering this quotient rule. It's just basically just memorize low D high minus high D low over low low. It means low means the denominator, high means of course something above. Okay, so the one on the numerator. Okay, minus high D low, high means the one on the numerator times derivative of the denominator over the square of the denominator, or denominator times denominator. Okay, low low. Okay, next. So just remember low D high minus high D low. So let's try to apply this rule. Example number 1. It says use the quotient rule to find the derivative of y is equal to x cubed plus 1 over 2x minus 3. Okay, so basically your function on the numerator will be x cubed plus 1. So let u, okay, equivalent to x cubed plus 1, and let v is equivalent to 2x minus 3. Okay, you need the du over dx, so you need to find out du over dx. Thus, since du over dx is derivative of u in terms of x, then you can get the derivative here. It will become 3x squared plus 1. No need, because the derivative of 1 is always 0, or the derivative of any constant is always 0. Next, we're now going to find out what is dv over dx. dv over dx definitely will become only 2. Now, we know already the u, we know the v, we know the du over dx, we know the dv over dx. Thus, we can already apply this. So, low is 2x minus 3. Okay? dy over dx is equal now to 2x minus 3. Okay? D high is du over dx. Okay? 3x squared. Okay, next is minus the one on the numerator, which is x cubed plus 3, plus 1. Okay, multiplied by dv over dx, or the derivative of the one below. So it's times 2. Divided by the one below, it is 2x minus 3. Okay, remember it's low means 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, or it is squared. Okay, next you have to expand this. If you want also to expand this, it's okay. You don't want to expand, it's okay also, as long as we can see that you are doing it properly. Okay, so I have now 6x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2 times x cubed is 2 times x cubed is 2x cubed. 2 times 1 is 2 times negative is negative 2. Remember to do that. Or you can put a bracket, then this still will be plus. Okay, divided by 2x minus 3 to the power of 2. I don't want to, it's up to me anyway. It's okay not to expand. If you want to expand, it's also okay. Okay, next. 6x cubed minus 2x cubed will be 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2 divided by 2x minus 3 to the power of 2. This can be your answer already. Again, if you want to expand, It's up to you. Now let's move on to the next example. Find the derivative of y is equal to the quantity of x plus 1 squared divided by square root of the quantity of x plus 2. Basically, if you are going to analyze the problem, we will be applying what you call the chain rule, which we have tackled before already. So, here you have to let u is equal to x plus 1 to the power of 2 and let v is equal to x plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Again, why did it become 1 over 2? Remember, square root means the n there is 2. So 1 over 2. Next, what is the du over dx? Du over dx, you use the cover up chain rule. Okay, this will become 2. Put in 2 minus 1 is 1. Do I need to write 1 as an index? No need. Okay, then put in whatever is inside. Next, you multiply it with the derivative of x plus 1. What is the derivative of x plus 1? It is 1. So do I need to multiply it by 1? No need. Okay, just to show, I'll put it in. Okay, so it means du over dx is equivalent now to 2x plus 2. Because 1 times x plus 1 times 2 is 2x plus 2. Next, dv over dx. How do you find out the dv over dx? Again, cover up chain rule method. I'll have 1 over 2. I'll bring it there in front. Next, multiplied by, okay, 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. Okay, then bring it back. Okay, next, whatever is the differentiation of this, what is the derivative of x plus 2? It is 1. Do I need to multiply it with 1? No need. Okay, will it be enough for this? Yes. Okay, let's do dy over dx. Okay. dy over dx is equal now to what is the v? This one. Okay, x plus 2 to the power of 1/2. Okay, or you can write square root of x plus 2. Doesn't matter. Okay, next. du over dx is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Minus, what is the u? It is x plus 1 to the power of 2. What is dv over dx? This one. 1 over 2 times x plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Divided by, what is the denominator or the v? This one. X plus 2 to the power of 1/2 to the power of, okay, let's make it clear, 1 over 2 to the power of 2. Okay? Next, let's simplify. Can I multiply these two? No, I cannot do that. Okay? Next. Can I multiply all these things? No, also. I cannot also do that. Okay? But I can simplify it later on. Yes, you can simplify. Only this one you can simplify because remember, 1/2 times 2 is 1. Okay? So I'll have now x plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2 times 2x plus 2 minus 1 over 2 times x plus 1 to the power of 2 times x plus 2 to the power of negative 1/2 over x plus 2. Remember, this is one term, this is another term, and both of them have x plus 2 and x plus 2. So I can divide x plus 2 to this term, and I can also divide x plus 2 to this term. Okay? So, how will I divide? What is 1/2? Remember that a sub n, or a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n minus m. So therefore, 1/2 minus, what is the index of this? 1. Okay? Think that it has an index of 1. So 1/2 minus 1 will have x plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay? multiplied to 2x multiplied to 2x plus 2 minus 1/2. Okay, I'll put that one minus 1 over 2. Okay, x plus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, next, this one will be negative 1/2 minus 1 is negative 3 over 2. Okay, x plus 2 to the power of negative 3 over 2. Okay, this can be your answer. Actually, I can still have a lot of factorization over here. I can still have a lot of factorization. I can factorize out x plus 2, okay, to the power of negative 3 over 2. Okay, I can also factorize out x plus 1 because this basically is 2 times x plus 1. Okay, but remember in differentiation, as long as you know how to apply the rules, you can already give the answer. If you are not required to do a lot of things, actually I can stop in this process and give the final answer. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. Please follow our videos and learn more about additional mathematics and mathematics. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, and please click that bell button to be updated with our new videos.